top 5 challenge is a school-based attendance challenge, where we encourage students to come to school every day.
This is a huge win for Central Queensland. Well done, Adani.
This project represents around 65 megawatts, and to put that into sort of normal context, that's enough power to power 23,000 homes and businesses here in Queensland, so we're obviously very excited about that.
Trust and the confidence shown in Adani to partner with the Cowboys at a major level. I think what it shows is the commitment to Adani, to our region, and supporting our community.